Hey guys, do you want to make thumbnail like just you saw? So you want to make it on Android phone. So this is the video. So let's get into it. So you need two apps for that. One is Pixel app and one is PS Touch. So you can see both apps over here. First, let's make our text ready. So let's jump into the Pixel app. So then let's give it a cancel. Then let's write new text and we go to here, write a text, and so as this is a thumbnail tutorial, let me keep the text as thumbnail tutorial. Thumbnail. Okay. And okay, let me resize it to the size this much. Maybe any given fine. Okay. The size is perfect and so before going to the color, okay, as my thumbnail is the main keyword of the video, so let me highlight it. So if you're keeping any video title, you can highlight it with the color and normal with the plain color like white, black, or anything else. So I'll go with um, orange maybe. No, I'll go with the texture which I have. So I have a texture downloaded. So where's it? Where's it? Okay, here's the texture, and like let me go here, and so I had recently downloaded it. And where's it? Yeah, okay, I got this one and done. So you can see how the texture is as the trendy texture running online. So I have choose that. And coming to the font, there's a separate video for typography. You can go and just check. I have my special fonts which will be linked in the description, so you can just go and download. So I'm using big noodle titling oblique, which suits me, and let's give it a stroke a bit. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, done. And I think I should resize it. Okay, resize it, and let me resize it a little bit. Okay, I think this is fine, and let me give the check mark and then keep it done, and let me get the another text. So edit, and here tutorial. So you got the tutorial, and now let's resize it first. Okay, why I'm making it bigger, I'll tell you the reason. Because after I change the font it gets smaller, because I'm going to use the noodle, like big noodle, or the smaller one, the titling one. So you got this one, and I think it's too big, and let me go to the size and resize it a little bit smaller. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Okay, and one more tip I wanted to give is like make the keyword a little big. So keyword of my video is thumbnail, so I'll keep it a little catchy. Okay, I think thumbnail word has become too big, so let me get it smaller. So I'll get both things smaller, so let me go resize it. I think 150 is perfect, and this one. Okay, okay, this is perfect now. Okay, this is perfect, and let me give it a stroke and then decide for the color. I think this one is good. What do you say? Comment below the video. So I think this is good, and first let me align this a bit, and then yeah, I have aligned it and I feel it perfect, and just tap on the thumbnail first, and Okay, what to do is this icon like this, tap on this and you get first option like tick and cross, to click on that and select group, and the third option is to merge down the layers. So let us merge down the layers, and we got the layers merged, and go back, and then after selecting this, okay, so we are unable to edit this, so let me click on the thumbnail, and then I'll go to the shadow. Okay, there's shadow in here. After clicking the shadow, I'll enable it, and then there's a second outer glow, so enable that, so it gives a cool effect, and turn the x-axis to 11 and y-axis a little bit, just like uh, yeah, 13 is fine. No, okay, I have to reconfigure it, and then okay, now let me make it, yeah, this is fine. So 11 and 4, it looks awesome. And then let's click on tutorial, and the same thing, let's continue, enable it and enable the auto glue, and offset x, increase x-axis a bit and y-axis a little bit. I have got a nice one, and I'll get it nailed down and align it back. So I have aligned it, and here you go. So let's merge it down. So click this, and the third option here is to merge down layers, and our text has been merged down into one. So isn't it cool? So before exporting, just go to the third option over here. Check whether like using the full wave scale, you can check that if it is properly aligned, and then um, you go to the third option in the right bottom. So after text, you get the third one, and you get here transparent in the top right corner of the screen. So you get like this, and then you go to the three dots in the top right bottom, and then export image, and export it to the like mesh format has been given, and quality will be also given. So I'll give the quality to higher, so I'll give it ultra. Okay, ultra, and then save to gallery. So this image will be saved to the gallery, and then we'll go back and go to the Photoshop Touch. So this you can go and download using Aptoid or Google APK. So there's a separate video for this, like how to download any APK apps and all, so you can check it out. So let's make a new file, and then okay, 1920 into 1080 is the size of the image, and I have downloaded an image, background image. So let me get it. So photo layer, and it's in downloads maybe. Okay, it's over here, and here's the image. Okay, so just select it and resize it to the whole this thing. It may sometimes vary, but no problem, there's no worries. And then give tick mark, then it comes like this. So first let's go to the effects and go to design blur, and then we'll make it like very less. Okay, this is 5.4, 5 is fine maybe. Okay, so we'll give it a tick and go to this. Okay, no, we'll go to saturation and increase the saturation, let it bit for the sun, check mark. So brightness, and then contrast. Okay, I'll increase the contrast, quality and brightness. I think this is fine, guys. What do you say? Or let me keep the brightness to 0 and increase the contrast a bit and leave. Okay, this is fine, I guess. I left it. And again, we'll go to temperature and check whether we could do something. And then, okay, I have kept it to 19. So that, okay, 19. 23 is good. So I have kept it to 23 and let's check it out. So again, let's go to shadows and highlights. Then lights, we'll enhance the lights a bit. And the shadows, like we'll decrease it. So after decreasing, you can see the cool effect. And there's another option called dots. You can increase it or decrease it. I'll decrease it to -18%, which looks cool. So I'll give it a check mark. And then now your background image is ready. And then now go to the photo layer. And now go to Pixel Lab and you get your font over here. And now when we select a font, just you can resize it, make it bigger, so there will be no compression or expansion of the image. It will be in the good quality itself. And then okay, and now we have a text. Okay, there's no any other object in my image, so I'll make it bigger and place it in the center. Okay, I'll give it a check, and now I'll make it smaller and check if it looks good. So I think it looks good. This step is necessary when you're making thumbnails to verify that it is good and new. So now just go to effects and go to glow, and then you can increase the glow and the intensity too. So give the check mark, and you have a cool thumbnail that is catchy. So you can go to the fill and stroke option over here, and you can make a bit more cooler thumbnail. And you can use the gradient over here, which helps you to like make lighting like this, and this, and many more. So try it yourself, give it a try. So guys, after you do this, you go over here and down in the bottom middle option, you can get merge down and done. So we get all the layers merged down, and then go to fill and stroke, and now give it 24 or something, which gives you a cool outline, which looks very pretty cool. So give it a check mark and thumbnail image, how it looks. I think it looks cool. So this is what the video was, and if you learned how to make this thumbnail without any basis of graphic designing, then leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our channel, as we have planned a lot of fun, interesting content for all